Will this mini chainsaw chop down an actual tree? In this video, my husband and I are going to show you what comes in the box, demo this for you, and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. In the box, you're going to have goggles, gloves, an oil squeezy container, an extra chain, the chainsaw, 2 batteries, the battery charger, the instruction manual, a cover, and it comes in a nice hard shell case.
You got to pull real hard on this here. Got to grab down and pull, and then snug down on this here.
I should mention oil is not included.
What's this for?
That's a little primer.
For what?
The oil?
If oil goes in there, I'll be really surprised. Oh, would you look at that? That's great. All right, cool. Let's see how much battery we got right out of the box.
In order to get this tree to fall where he wanted it, he notched out a little spot on one side.
Take a look inside and see what makes it tick. What I was having problems with is lining this one up with this one. That's why it's off right now. Okay, that's good and lined up, good and snug and tight. Let's see if we can keep it that way. Little notches that it fits into. All right, ready for a timber?
That's so awesome.
No, nowhere near the truck, which is what we were shooting for.
That's amazing. Will it cut down a tree? Yes, yes it will.
Yes, it does.